Now let's talk about results. We've all heard the promises of achieving beautiful skin, but how many actually deliver? But what if I told you there's a brand that not only delivers but exceeds expectations? That's right, I'm talking about Riman. Their products are like magic potions, and the transformations they bring about are nothing short of astonishing. Behind every bottle of Riman skincare lies a story of transformation, confidence, and newfound radiance. People from all walks of life share their experiences of how Riman has changed their skin for the better. From fading acne scars to achieving a more even skin tone, the results are amazing. Happy, satisfied users of Riman speak volumes, showcasing the power of these incredible products. With a focus of quality, efficacy, and innovation, they've captured the hearts and faces of millions around the globe. But wait, it gets even better. Riman isn't just about slapping on some cream and calling it a day. They're about education, empowerment, and community, guiding you every step of the way on your quest for radiant skin. So how do they do it? Well, let me tell you, it all starts with an incredible lineup of products. From cleansers to serums to moisturizers, they've got everything you need to build your skincare routine. And the best part, each product is carefully formulated with high-quality ingredients that are as good for your skin as they are for the planet. Riman also offers free webinars where you can learn all about the science behind Korean skincare and get insider tips from the pros. It's like a masterclass in skincare, and believe me, you'll want to take notes. And here's the cherry on top. Riman isn't just about transforming your skin, it's about transforming your life. With their incredible compensation plan, you can turn your love for skincare into a thriving business. Imagine earning up to 45% in commissions, all while helping others achieve their skincare goals. It's like a dream come true. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to kbeautyskincareline.com to start your journey to radiant, youthful skin today. You won't regret it.